So I'm going to install a hard start capacitor on my RV air conditioner. So the first step is to remove the cover. Now the next step is to remove the small access panel in the front. So inside here is the current start capacitor, and the smaller one, sort of oval shaped, is the run capacitor. I'm using the Supco SPP6 hard start capacitor. Just open the bag. And you can see the two wires already have terminals on it. They just plug into the spare terminals that are on top of the current start capacitor. Now I've read these capacitors have the relay in them, and if you look at the wiring diagram, it says to hook up the start capacitor with the relay side to the red wire, and then the other side to the yellow wire. So you can see the red wire here and the yellow wire side on that side. With the start capacitor, both wires are black, but when you open it up, the relay, you'll find, is on the side of the wire that has the terminal with the extra little tab on the side. So this one here with the extra tab would go to the red wire side, and this one to the yellow. fingers in there. I think I'll do. There we go. Because I just have to bend the tab up a bit. So there's the two wires just simply plugged in. Now, oops, find a spot to put the capacitor. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm just going to see if it'll fit tightly along one side, possibly like that. So, to fit that there, I'm just going to take a couple of zap straps or zip or wire ties. I'm going to daisy chain them because I don't have ones that are long enough, I don't think. So I'm just going to see if this will work. So if I daisy chain that, I'm just going to put it around. The existing start capacitor. See there. Just like that. I'll just trim off this extra piece. And that's pretty much it. Just double check to make sure none of those wires came out. No, it looks all good to me. And just put it back together. And then all that's left there is just to put the top cover on. And that's it, and that's how easy it is to install a hard start capacitor on your RV air conditioner.